Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mayank and I am a luxury lover, a fashion freak, a Goyard geek, a shopaholic chic shithead, and my channel is all about luxury unboxings, reviews, how to tell fake versus real, shopping vlogs, all those kind of things. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around, please hit that subscribe button, please smash that like button, and please keep on watching. Okay, we're gonna do a couple more Goyard boxings. We're gonna be unboxing. Goyard unboxings. I got a Paris haul from Hermes, where apparently it's a little bit cheaper than buying in the States, so.
We'll talk more about that later, but yeah, if you guys want to buy
Goyard, instead of buying it at the store, you should buy it in Paris. Oh, that's Paris, I think. I'm not sure. I lived there for a while, but
Everybody looked at me funny, so
who knows? Alright, so I got some stuff here for you today to unbox from Paris. And I got some stuff back here that I just like to have in the background to make me seem more legit. I mean, or just seem really like I'm flexing. Am I flexing? Maybe. Am I flexing? Oh, there's nothing there to flex. Gotta work out. I need to go back to the gym. There was one that used to be muscle there. Okay, anyway, onward. Shall we unbox? So we decide, shall we do some unboxing? Yes, okay. What are we gonna do? So in here, what do we got in here? Okay, we have 3 Paris hauls for you guys. So, I think I'm gonna start with this one because this one's really exciting. Are you guys excited? I'm excited. Are you excited? Okay, so the straps might kind of give it away. Ooh! Oh! You see it? Oh, you saw it. Well, the straps were gonna kind of give it away, but maybe not because it could be one of 3 different totes. So obviously a tote. There's the bag. I've been wanting this one for a long time. Really long time, guys. Oh, look at her. Oh. So this is the Anjou in red in the GM size, the big size. The Anjou is the reversible. Though all their totes are reversible, I think. Well, not all of them. The Trois is not reversible, but that's the Trois. It has a zipper to zip shut, keep it nice and safe, but it's not reversible, but it comes in different sizes. They have a really big size that's actually great for traveling. It's not that expensive compared to everything else. But anyway, we'll get to that. It's like
a lot cheaper than you think it would be. But this,
the Anjou. So the Anjou is reversible as well, but instead of the Saint Louis, it is reversible. On the other side is all leather of the color pattern. So this is the red ones. The other side is all red leather, so you can wear it like a little discreet red leather tote, you know? Very, like, no idea. No. There's nothing. The only way, it says right there. One little Goyard right there, and if you can kind of see inside, you can kind of see it. Otherwise, it's pretty discreet. And also, like, usually your arm is going to cover that, so not really going to see it. So it just looks like a red leather tote, which is nice, because even though Goyard is kind of like a more discreet brand in general, people don't really know it that well unless you do know it. It's starting to get a lot of traction. I mean, people are starting to know what it is. People are starting to get to know the name and the brand and the design, becoming less discreet and more popular, common, everyday. I don't know. That's not the right word. But anyway, so the leather side, it's really soft. It's really nice, soft leather. Yeah, and it still has the handles, and then it has its little pooch in here. Little pochette, pocket, poquito más, poquito. Same as the other ones, same thing. Got this little felt to protect, and then it's got canvas inside. You get your little ingredients, you know what it is. One little pocket here for stuff, and then back flat pocket for other stuff. Attachable here, and there's the number, 2021, little baby. And that doesn't come off as usual. Mistake, Goyard, you should make that come off. That goes there, and you can carry this as a parcel. I wish this was reversible too. That would be really cool. Oh, if it was all on the other side, and a little reversible one of that. Hey, note to Goyard, make this reversible next time. So this is really cool. Now, do you guys want to see it the other way? So this is brand new, so I haven't used it yet, so I don't know how it's going to be with the leather side versus the other side, but I can report back if you want to know how its wear and tear is in a little while. So also way cheaper in France than it is. Like, I know it's like really expensive in general, and this is like, people are like, it's 2 totes in one, which I guess technically it is, but you're still paying a lot for 2 totes in one. But at least if you get it in France, a little bit cheaper. I don't know. In the US, this retails, I think, I want to say like 3 something. Maybe it's 3 flat. More for the GM in the colors, not in the black and white. Obviously the black's a little cheaper. How black be cheaper? So you see people walking around with those black ones, they be paid less. They're a little cheap. Okay, I got black ones too. I got black one in there. I got black one over there. I got 2 black ones in here. Maybe not. Oh, you want to see it the other way? Yeah, of course you do. Okay, so like you just kind of pull one corner. Wait a minute, pause. I'm just gonna do this. Okay, so now I want to like flip this, make it a little more flashy. Want to be a little more flashy with this little. You're just gonna take one on the corner sides and gonna pull it out. That's what they say. You just pull it all the way through and distort the bag until it looks deformed. Fudging, and then it's actually a lot easier than I thought it'd be. A lot more pliable. Maybe it's been done before. And kind of keep doing it until the bag is completely reversed. Oh, well. Wow. Look at that. Now, have it the other way, which is just as nice. Needs a little more, which you can't see on the regular tote, so you can't usually see that big. So you can tell, so you know it's an Anjou because it's got the piping or whatever on the outside too. Less discreet. More fat. And you got a red interior, which you should definitely get like a freaking bag organizer to protect, because if not, you will ruin that beautiful leather. So here's our Anjou. Anjou. Anjou on you. Okay, cool. That was that one. So now you are gonna chill upstairs with everyone else. Chill. You guys like my got these little Hermes Sandal Bag Charms. We got the little black, match the little black right here. We got a little tan, rose goldish kind of to match this one. Need to get a gold one, but for now I have these pink ones on the other side. Look, I got pink. We got pink. Little cute little bag. We got a little horsey. Nope, that's not the sound. And we got this one, also cute, right? I know. Oh, what? I also have little scarves to wrap around the handles to protect them. They're usually on, right now they're off, but usually they're on to protect from the oil of our fingers. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please give it a thumbs up. Please smash that like button. If you liked it, please share it with your friends and family. If you hated it, please share it with your enemies and exes. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious, so I appreciate you spending your time here with me. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you in the next one. Mwah. Bye.